This is for a fleet sticker. And the reason I want to show you this is because I found some interesting things on here. I have to wonder if other Lightning forums or whoever, they see this and they're like, well, no consumer is going to get their hands on a fleet vehicle. But I found some interesting things. So you can see that this is an F-150 Lightning. It's got that vinyl interior. So that was my first clue. This is indeed a pro, like a pro trim. Down here in this other yellow circle, you can see that I also highlighted that it is, let me scoot that over a little bit. They are calling this a Pro Series. A lot of the same features in this standard equipment included at no extra charge. But what really jumped out to me is over here you can see that it is, oh, it's hiding. Oh no, I hope that wasn't the case for all that other stuff I said. 320 miles. So this is an extended range Pro, which is your final clue that it is indeed a fleet vehicle. Now, looking at this, let me scroll back over. It shows that they are charging $10,000 for the extended range battery, which lines up with what they've been advertising on like the XLT. Theoretically, they only charge you $10,000 for the extended range battery on the XLT, even though you also have to get that other equipment package that's more like $19,000. But this just goes to show Ford is willing to let an extended range battery out their front door for $10,000, and actually less. This was one of the most interesting things I noticed. The fleet vehicles, they're not getting the Ford Charge Station Pro. So they're saving $1,200, $1,300. And so really, they're letting the extended range battery out their front door for $8,700. And so then you look at that final price, $50,000 for a 320-mile electric pickup truck. This brings me immediately, my first thought was, that's a hot commodity. Like, there were so many people clamoring for there to be extended range battery on the affordable Ford Lightning. And so my thought was, can fleets buy 10 of these and then sell 2, depending on the no sale clause, or even after a year? Like, theoretically, does that not mean we could all just wait and buy these secondhand from fleets, and then you finally have that affordable, extended range Ford Lightning? That blew my mind.